Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this video about the US dollar index and yen index. As I mentioned in the webinar yesterday, that USD is all the way up in this area, 14.99, 14.78, and if it goes below 14.78, it might retrace a little bit. So it has retraced a little bit to 38%. Right, and now weekly chart of this thing is showing that it might be going to the upside even more. Let's see if we stay above 1390. We have reached to this level 1390, right, and 38%. Weekly chart, like I said, that this is, and the target probably is 1599, so as long as we stay above 1390, right? So now if USD goes up, USD gonna get strong. On the other hand, what happened to yen? Remember the yen index chart I showed, and I said that this is where the heck is yen? Excuse me. Okay, yen index is at 127 and might be going to the upside based on this chart, 33%. See this wave 1, 2, and maybe this 3 and 4, and then one more push to the upside. For wave 5, and considering this wave 3 and ABC wave 4, wave 5 should end somewhere a little bit more, maybe like around here, right? So we need one more push out of this triangle and go to the upside. This is like the triangle look like here, right? And we were here, then we dropped to this level, and this TL here connecting these two, and now it's trying to go to the upside. So if US dollar dropping, US dollar gonna get strong, and if this thing is gonna go up, US dollar, yen index is gonna get weaker. So this is the situation. That's why I posted on the Telegram that UJ might be going long, and it is bouncing from 61%. And let me see UJ. If we go to look at this, see this UJ 40-minute. This is the rising TL, and this is a 61%. So it's a little bit shy of 61%, and then posted posted a reversal candle already, and posted a blue candle already, right? So this thing this thing is all the way to the downside. This indicator showing that it might be going to the upside. So it's a very nice bullish setup here, right? And US dollar index getting strong means this thing will be pushed up, maybe 4900 now. If we can reverse this and see the extension of this, how much is coming? Let's say from here to here, the extension 127 is here, 161. So the extension 161 is coming exactly to 4900. So that might be the target if they start to go to the upside. So first target would be 47.71, break that, and then we go to the upside if USD bounce and yen also bounce and go to the upside, right? So pay attention to these. And not only this, I'm just showing USD yen, but based on USD, if it's bouncing from there, all USD pairs, for example, Euro USD, Pound USD, they will be going down, and all yen pairs will be going up. So, we will look for setups in all yen pairs to the upside if yen start to go to the upside. So it's getting ready to do that, and we need to get ready to take the trades. All right. And I took the Euro Aussie earlier, as I mentioned that Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie gonna drop, and Euro Aussie gave a very nice short setup earlier in the Asian session. So I just took a chance, and yeah, I closed like around 90-95 pip already. So let's hit on the yen pairs now, right? So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.